Hello.
Full employment anything. So don't think about pride. I don't want you to say Peter is our own. It is not because of religion. No religion finds great cheaper. No religion is. He said, no, right? Then again, I don't want you to vote because it's anybody says it is wrong. It is wrong. It's your job to take it back from those who have kept these things. So it's your job. I don't want you to vote for me because it's not a Southeast. I'm not contesting. I'm a proud Igbo man. I'm a proud Nigerian. I'm not contesting because I'm an Igbo man. I don't want you to vote for Peter because I'm an Igbo man. I want you to vote for me. That election will be on character, we can trust. It's because of confidence, capacity, commitment, and compassion. I want you to vote for me because I can say in this election I am the most qualified candidate.
We're talking about security today. I was telling a top security the other day. I said, let me tell you, what has federal government done to improve security? You're telling me about security. What has government done to improve security? Anambra State is 180 communities. And I use Anambra State. I said, let it be that in all states of Nigeria, that each of them have about 500 communities, which is not possible. Because in the north, some of them have less than ever. But I said, let's say it is 500. Let's say it's 200. Let's say it's 300. Let's say we have 10,000 communities in Nigeria. 10,000 communities. And we decide that these 10,000 communities, we are going to support them by buying one vehicle each. 10 vehicle manufacturing facilities. We want 10,000 people. At about 15 million naira. And it will cost the government of Nigeria something that is very easy to pay over a period of 1 year. Tell us of them to form security outlets that will be paid directly by government. Hold every treasurer that is responsible for his community. We'll give you the money, but you must protect your community, or we'll come after you. And this is where we want to. We will involve the traditional rulers and the council. That's where you start. If you want to do it. What is wrong with having local government police? What is wrong with having state police? Let's have all of it. We want security. It doesn't matter how it happens. And we can support it. The money that we are called now for 1 month stealing, in August, we produced 975,000 barrels. We are losing 825, which came to 225 million. $100. It was about $2.5 billion. If you do with 650, you will pay for the money and pay for the people. And you go to and hold people responsible. That's what we want to change. We want to change society.
Tata, Abro Makagene. Actually, be proud of your son, of your leader, of your father, Peter, Obi, and Datti, Baba, and be proud of what we have. In his time as the governor, he was the best governor Nigeria ever. And when he gets in there, I didn't say if, I said when he gets in there, he will be the best president Nigeria has ever seen. Especially in he said something about some of the leaders who have supported this cause. I want to take a little time to appreciate those leaders. The legends of our time. President Obasanjo is one of them. Banjo is another. Clark is another. Dr. Bitrus Pogu of the Middle Belt Forum is also another. And there are several. This is the time because a new Nigeria is possible with Peter Obi and Datti Baba. I want 2.7 million voters in Anambra State. Onega get Peter Obi. 10 over 10, 100 over 100. God bless you. God bless you. And God bless you. Nigeria got trouble. Nigeria got making it. Nigeria got making it. I want to give you a small testimony. If you go down these streets, just down this street a little, there's a school there called CAC. I went to school there. I entered there before the Civil War. Years later, Peter Obi came to go to school there. There, we shape people to have character. In this race, character matters. Yusuf, Datti, Baba, Ahmed. I have known his brothers for more than 30 years, and I know that he has character. They are confident, as of us. That is Igbo.
Excellency, don't be offended. Mr. Peter, have you seen your beautiful baby? Have you seen your tomato baby? Baby, something that will me temper. Margaret, baby, Margaret, anybody they wait you. The back end of the harbor, we made it Maka. The possible number anybody say, Adam number second, Margaret, let me ask you a question. All those people that is challenging your husband, lady went there, and he went there, and he went, lady went there, and he went there. I told me what I did. You will show me those people. I want to see a hand. I told him, lady went there, and he went there, and he went, lady Morundia, and he Morundia, and he Morundia. We in Labour Party have the best team Nigeria can get. We have the best team Nigeria can get. Go out and collect your PVC, because in Labour Party, the team of Peter Obi and Dr. Datti Baba Ahmed are a team that have proven themselves in different sectors. they are competent, they are accountable, they are young, they are vibrant, and this new Nigeria we're looking for is possible. It's possible through Peter Obi and Dr. Datti Ahmed. All I want to tell you is that a new Nigeria is about to be born. And we, as women of Nigeria, are rising up. God has granted us the will to birth a new Nigeria. INEC, women are over 50% registered voters. Youth, when you combine the youths and women in the voters register of INEC, we constitute 75%. So we are ready. I and the youth. Oh, I want. They will look at Obi. Sorrow. Okay. Okay, Lugo. Linne. Ebo no. Putano. But February 25th. Puta. Whoever it's in Labour Party. Labour Party or Labour Party.
Her Excellency, before you finish your talk, they say your husband don't have structure. But now,
also according. Don't be Anambra. If I get Labour Party, if I get Peter Obi 100%. Makaige Sinuno, Mama Putilo. I go to Nigeria. I went mad. I can leave Nigeria. Automatically when I where Malo or Peter Obi gave promise. Because Her
Excellency, before you can let on about the Madokuna public, he's a pampered man, he's an intelligent man. But the other party, like the other one, when they carry broom, if they want to talk, you know the way they used to talk. APC Bota, PDP Bota, Anyakoye.
2019, Peter Obi and his likes, all serious politicians from southern Nigeria, they had the money, they had the resources, they had the people, they had the experience. Now respect, now oneness and unity, then come things they high. This time, no be our own. Let's wait. Now respect. 2023 now. Let me see the Southeasterner who will say it is not your turn. Our leader has been saying, hold us responsible. We hold you responsible for bringing President Peter Obi to Nigeria. Our Almighty Creator makes no mistake. He is the perfect. He is the able. And he says, we shall live as one in Nigeria. To live as one, a leader like Peter Obi must be elected in Nigeria.
Labour Party! Ordinarily, we would not have come to Anambra State to do this rally. The reason is because Peter Obi is from here. And because Peter Obi is from here, we would have taken it for granted that all of us are obedient. But the recent event shows that there are bad eggs in the house. You know, in every society, Labour Party, you know, in every society, as you have forces of light, you also have forces of darkness. But you know the greatest joy? The greatest joy is that the forces of light must always overcome the forces of darkness. I say, in every society, as you have forces of light, you also have forces of darkness. But our greatest joy is that the forces of light will always overcome the forces of darkness. And then today, in the whole of Nigeria, the forces of light is coming from Anambra State. The light that will rescue Nigeria is coming from you. Are you not a special generation? Are you not a special generation? Onitsha have always produced great leaders. Onitsha have always produced great leaders. And another one is about to come. I want you to clap for yourself.
Anambra State, I want you to follow me and sing this song. We are the choosing generation. Come on. I want you to somebody's hand. Come on, the fire, come on. God has chosen me. I know you. I want you to repeat that song again. We are the choosing generation. Come on. Sing it louder. I want the fire, come on. God has chosen me. I know who I am. I know who God says I am.
Labour Party! Labour Party! I will leave you with 3 messages. 1, I want to remind Anambra people that any opportunity that is lost can never come back. This opportunity that is in Nigeria today, Anambra people must not allow us to lose it. Our people say, if house no kill person, outside not the fit killer. What am I saying? I'm saying that we must win Anambra State 99.9%.
Anya chọdị 99, ihe anyị chọrọ bụ 100%. No be so.
If there's any presidential candidate today who can say it is my turn, it is no other one. Who is that one who can say it is my turn today? You know why? When democracy started, Obasanjo became president. Where is Obasanjo from? When he can't go north, who take him? When he comes south again, who take him? When he go north again, who take him? As he they come south now, who go take him?
Okay, Anambra Gatanuntu.
No be me talk about.
Njegwa agadi mesu na goya. Atrom kanolu nile. Obe. APC must obey Labour. Obe unu bishwe ike.
Obi-Datti. The second point, Anambra people are very, very lucky. We are not saying that you should vote for us because it is our turn. We are saying that you should vote for us because we are competent. We not say make you vote for us because say Peter Obina from here. But among all of them, put PDP down, PDP candidate, bring and come, make we see. Bring NPC candidate, make we see. Bring Labour Party candidate, make we see. Who is the best among them? Who is the best among them?
National chairman, and listen to me. National chairman. We dey hear Igbo or be English. Wakwara ni P2B, ọ banye n'ọchịchị, ya biko, ihe ahụ Tinubu mere ya, ihe Atiku mere ya, gbaghara ya o Peter, gbaghara o Okwute, gbaghara o Peter, gbaghara Enugu, ihe ọjọọ niile o mere n'ụwa, gbaghara o ebe ọjọọ niile Okwute, gbaghara o.
Labour Party. The final message: if they bring money from Nada, they make una chop and vote for Labour Party. You know why? You know why? You know why? Now our money they want return to us. Thank you.
Let me stop. I know everybody has spoken. I just want you to give me 5-10 minutes and listen to what I'm going to say. What we are saying is that all we are coming to do, as we have told you, we want to end suffering in Nigeria. We want to do the new Nigeria. We want Nigerians to be Nigeria today. Nigeria today, nobody is safe. In Nigeria today, nobody is safe. In Nigeria today, our youth don't have jobs. In Nigeria today, families are suffering. In Nigeria today, people are begging to eat. That is what we want to end. We want to bring an end to suffering. We will secure and unite Nigeria. We will secure and unite Nigeria. Okay, Anambra. And what I did here is what I'm going to do. We will negotiate and talk with the owner of Onitsha Bank. I may say here, we are talking Qatar, and I'm not living with government. We will make sure we negotiate, discuss, and join the best people. And I can bring back. Even the Onitsha is a trading community. Onitsha will come back. Anambra is a trading community. Anambra is a trading state. It's a manufacturing state. Those industries will come back. We will support them. I supported them as governor. I supported the industry. I I built industrial estates in Onitsha. As we are doing nothing, now we are going to do it in Kano. We are going to do it in Kaduna. We are going to do it in Lagos. We are going to do it in Kogi. If you know here, we used to be partners with Boronu State. Now Boronu gets the people of Manga. When I meet here about Tago, we will change Boronu State. We will make it work. Every part of Nigeria will be productive. Nigeria will produce food. Nigeria will produce food you will eat. Because we have farmland in the north. We will cultivate all those empty farmland in the north, and we will use the goods I produce here to turn into factory in the east and everywhere. East the factory here too, and then export through Port Harcourt, through Warri, through Onitsha Wharf. Una mama, una mama esi anam, banzam, abako biru Abuja 3 hours. I can make here. I look I got some I've been governor in this state. Any road you see in this Onitsha that is started was started by me. This is an example. Other road there, Mwatalia. New Market Road, Mwatalia. Old Market. New Market. Marina. Bright Road. Bridgehead. Happy Waker. Nigeria is Nigeria. Only Nigeria. Those who left Nigeria will come back because we will make sure that all industries, all the producing industries like industry will be exporting their cars. We will face exportation. Naira Tata for 750. I've told them, allow us into power. Go to the reverse. We will ensure that we export enough to stabilize the Naira. We will ensure that is a businessman. The difference between all those who want to be president today and vice president is that there's no combination like this. Go and check all the other vice presidential candidates. None of them is a businessman. None of them is a wealth creator. If you have not created wealth, you can't manage one. None of them. He has created wealth. He has built 2 universities on his own. Is there? You don't need to tell you president. You don't need to tell you president. I want to give us to Galatia. I'm a traitor. I want to know Galatia. I want to know Galatia. The only way this country can change is that you hand it over to those who have created wealth. Again, when you're in the Nazwasia, I could tell them that now, etu esenye obodo dị mma onye ọ na-ebe nwa ọlụ Because when we are trading, wealth creators, we will create wealth. We will move the country from consumption to by that everyone will be more than one. People are and one if I will not come the more you put people out of poverty, the more you reduce criminality. Only money born and run a story. That's what we want to do. We want to make a bar and Port Harcourt one time for export. What we are going to do will surprise everybody. We've done it privately. We are not asking you to do it. In the House of Government, if I can't run no yard, you will his number of years, then I can move. Here you have, if I do 56, 57 years, so that will be our 50s. If you want the chairman all the 52, all the chairman, PDP, 70, APC, 70, dying 52. I'm in the 50s. Now they combine. He combine 100 goes up, you want 70. 100 goes up, I'm only I combine. If only combine, I don't want. I'm a guy. I stand this stingy. Onyenje na-ego Onitsha na onye nyere never go back. And they make all this stingy. All the new nation Nigeria before the stingy, they go. And if I go for I come on. I got to everybody in there. None of I was governor here for 8 years. No bank in Nigeria, no financial institution in Nigeria did I ever enter to borrow money. Yes. Yes. I built the best road network in Nigeria. Again, the government. Even the person. Let me the government continue. Yes. I want to get to complain. If you're not going to government out of a complaint. The work of a leader is not to complain. It is to find solution. We are telling you, we are not going to complain. We are not going to remind you of your past. We are going to remind you of your future. And we are going to build a better future for you. In still Nigeria, we may change every day. In our just the Nigeria diva. Nations after nations have gone through the problem Nigeria is going today. But with good leadership, the way we did in Anambra State, before I get to Anambra State, Anambra was known for bad things. All for all. No one ever home for all. No kidding. I bought first education. First who the best in MDG? Who the only one blessing? I just never look there go. That's what we want to do. We want to turn Nigeria into light of Africa. We want to turn it into light of the black man. Is Anambra State cost and win the cost? Yes, and I answered it. And I'm asking, is Nigeria cost are we the cause? I want to have opportunity to answer it. If I'm president, the North will celebrate me. Because I'll fight poverty in the North. I'll fight education out of school children in the North. I will invest in it. If I'm president, the South will celebrate me. Because I will use whatever is remaining with the oil resources. I use it to clean South and bring life to South. If I'm president, the Southwest will celebrate me. Because I'm going to turn Lagos into financial hub of Africa. If I'm president, the Southeast will celebrate me because it will become the industry base and export base of Nigeria.